Hey everyone, it's Plankables A9 here, and here we have the County Road 88 railroad crossing in Delhi, Colorado. I'm so glad that I'm finally out here. I just caught Amtrak at this crossing. Anyways, here it is, Colorado's last Wigwag. Here's the first side, which has a crossbuck in the road itself. Here's the emergency information, dot number 003299G. This is on the BNSF Wahunta Subdivision. Here's the split crossbuck and a tracks 2 sign. Here's the Wigwag itself. There's the base right here, the case right here that's mounted on is from US&S. Here's the emergency information again. This is on milepost 59150. And here's the actual Wigwag, which is made by Magnetic Signal Company in up Quadrant. There it is. It's going to be replaced sometime in the next couple months. Looks nice. There's a power line going to it. Here's traffic facing towards Wahunta. There's traffic facing towards Trinidad. The train is sitting right there. Over here's just the other crossbuck, which honestly